In our last video, you watched us build and install this pantry cabinet. Now, it's time to cut a hole in our beautiful countertop and install the sink. Alright, so we're getting ready to plumb in this sink drain, and hopefully we have all the parts we need, but I'm not thinking that we do. We just kind of got some parts to get us close and find out what else we need. Because these two drains are at different heights, this kit that we got isn't going to work. And then because our sewer drain is a little bit offset, our P-trap may not line up right away either. So there's that. Nut first, then gasket. All right, so now we have all of our drain parts that we needed. We had to get this extra little piece because this sink is just a little bit taller than this sink. So now both sinks drain into the P-trap, and then we just had a long sweep 90 here on the 2-inch, drop down to 1.5 inches for the drain, and we are all set. We are ready to test the sink. Let's see if we have any leaks. Let some water drain in one sink, and then the other. We'll see if there's any leaks. No leaks. Perfect. So while Amy has been staining and finishing the shelf boards, I built up these brackets real quick. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to mount the brackets to the wall, then cut the shelves to fit, and install some shelves in this pantry. So once again, we're employing the Lasco laser so that we can have all of our brackets on the same level line. So we're going to line up the Lasco so we know where to put our side brackets level with our center spot. So we've went to the library and got some spacers.
The Library of Amy Stewart.
And so we've got the laser set up. It's nice because it tells us if it's able to level. If we're not able to level, it starts flashing. So it's able to self-level, and then we'll just go ahead and make some fine-tuned adjustments here with the mount until we were on our mark. Looks pretty good.
Right there.
All right. Now I'll come over here and mark my laser line where the top of my bracket will go. And over here as well. It's hard to do left-handed. Actually, I think I made it come out too far. All right, perfect. We're ready for brackets. So the next step is we're lining up our bracket with our lines we marked with the laser. And I'm gonna mark where the legs are gonna go. And then I will pilot drill those holes so the legs start in the right spot. this is full length.
Yes.
So
it has to.
I'm gonna go low.
Okay. Let me get up. Okay.
And then you're gonna go up higher.
I'm gonna go high. I'm high.
Okay.
Coming now?
Oh, your ladder's gonna be in the way.
Oh, okay. There you have it.
Yep. Ooh,
Wow.
like a glove.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
That is not the hole I drilled.
No. Back.
Okay, the back I'm at 136 again.
Okay.
Front. 136 and a half.
Okay, it's the same.
Same. All right. We're at 136 and a half.
Yep. Is
Now
that
we're at
correct?
136, yep.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good. Ease it in.
Third shelf is in. We just got to get it attached to the brackets. And then our shelves will be done. So the pantry is done, at least this part of it. We still have a utility closet that we're gonna build on our little bump out where the refrigerator goes or insets from the kitchen side. The reason we did such huge shelves is because this will eventually be all of our canning storage, and we built it to be able to hold a bazillion canning jars. So anyway, it looks amazing. We're super happy with how it turned out. This is also going to be our temporary kitchen until the kitchen is finished. which is why we have a sink in here. And then of course, after the kitchen's finished, having a sink in here will still be really nice for, you know, washing out paintbrushes or washing canning jars or whatever it be. I don't think we'll ever regret putting a sink in the pantry. But if you like this content and you've enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.